Alright, we're going to unbox the Mindstyle Color Mates Art Toy by Rin Barrera. This is the Fly High Art Toy. Actually, na-sold out na to last year nung first itong lumabas, but nag-visit ako sa Pop Life Store in Opus Mall at finally nakakita tayo ng new release, kumbaga restock ng Fly High. Meron isang chase figure na ganito, naka-spread yung arms niya. I got this for a price of I think 1,400, and yung chase figure niya is this one, Let Me Fly. Sa ano siya, I think mga 8,000 yata. So meron na akong Traveler, meron na akong Fly High. Maybe next time ba kunin ko yung The Builder, trying to hindi naman ako ganun ka-hardcore collector, but every time I visit Opus Mall, I just go to sa Pop Life Store at kuha tayo ng figure. So unbox natin to. Let's do this. At this will be added to my Rin Barrera collection. So ito siya. Napakaganda ng mga designs ng mga ginagawa niya. So ito ka-plastic siya. Tanggalin natin. And here we go. Nice. Ganda. Parang it reminds me of my childhood days na tawag dito. Sumasakay sa mga rides, sa mga Fiesta Carnival, Haperia, Enchanted Kingdom. Tumiikot to. Galing. Maybe I can bring this to my travel. Kasi usually si Traveler dinadala ko sa travel May kasama siyang aso. But this one is very nice, no? Pag sumakay ako ng airplane, papakita ko to. Ganda. I'll be adding this to my collection. This is super nice to have this kind of. Tsaka ang ganda ng gawa ng Mindstyle. Very detailed. Super ganda. Ayan. Very excited na magkaroon ako ng mga collections na ng mga Rin Barrera art toy. Maybe next time pag nakarami-rami na tayo, we're gonna target the bigger ones. Kumbaga syempre na pinakang epic artwork. At sayang kasi nung December kasi naubusan ako nung. Hindi ba ako naubusan? Nasaraduhan na ako ng booth ni Rin Barrera dun sa December Toy Fair, Toycon Toy Fair. Hindi ako nakabila. I'm expecting sana magre-restock sila. Pero hindi, talaga very limited edition lang talaga siya dun lang sa Toycon. So hopefully baka meron silang release sana for this Toycon Summer Prelude in Okada, Manila. And also siyempre sa June, for sure yan, meron yan. Kasi every time na may Toycon event, naglalabas si Rin Barrera ng mga new collections ng art toy niya. Alright? So I'll end on my video here. This is a very quick unboxing. But also this kind of style is shot on an iPhone dual shot recorder. So makapag-record ako ng horizontal and also vertical ng sabay. So I'm just trying to experiment if paano ba yung workflow ko to. Kasi medyo kailangan lang talaga, medyo malapit ako kasi para kita siya doon sa tawag dito sa horizontal shoot niya Alright, I'll end on my video here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Ganda, grabe. Buti na nagkaroon siya ng stock nito. Okay, I forgot to mention, kasama pala siyang card, collectible card. Alright. Mapa-autograph natin to next time kay Rin Barrera. Alright.